Hello students, hope all of you are fine. So dear children, we are doing the lesson biomolecules. So in our previous videos, we have discussed about the carbohydrates, okay? And today we are going to start about the lipids. Lipids in Greek means lipos, okay? Lipos means fat, okay? Are fatty acid esters of alcohol and related substances which are insoluble in water but get dissolved in a number of non-polar organic solvents like ether, benzene, chloroform, acetone, etc. They can, however, form colloidal complex and get dispersed uniformly in water in the form of minute droplets. The complex is called emulsion. Lipids are basically made of carbon, hydrogen, and sometimes oxygen, in which the content of oxygen is always small as compared to hydrogen and carbon. Many lipids contain small amount of additional elements like phosphorus, nitrogen, and sulfur. Common example of lipids include butter, ghee, cooking oil, natural rubber, cholesterol, carotene of the carrot, and lycopene of the tomato, eucalyptus oil, and then menthol, vitamin A, E, K. Okay, these are all the fat soluble vitamins. Depending upon their composition and characteristic, lipids are often classified into fats, cutin of all lipids, and fatty acids. Okay, they can be cutin, suberin, wax, okay, phospholipids, glycolipids, carotenes, and sterols. Now, the basic component of all the lipids are fatty acids. Now, what is fatty acid? Fatty acids are organic acids and they have hydrocarbon chain that end in carboxylic group, that is COOH group. Hydrocarbon chain may be straight or have ring structure. Fatty acid also possess hydroxyl group. Length is 4 to 24 carbons. The common fatty acid have 16 to 18 carbon, okay. Plants have biosynthetic machinery to manufacture all types of fatty acids. Animals have this machinery, but many animals lack the mechanism to synthesize three fatty acid, that is linoleic acid, linolenic acid, and arachidonic acids. These are not produced in the animal. Okay, they are called essential fatty acids. Okay, EFA. Okay, they must be present in animal diet. Essential fatty acids occur in most edible oil like those of the sunflower, okay, groundnut, cottonseed, coconut, etc. Their deficiency produce the uh, phrenoderma or follicular hyperkeratosis. Okay, the fatty acid are of two main types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fatty acids do not possess double bond, okay, and in their carbon chain, okay, they have general formula of CnH2nO2. For example, we have C16H32O2. The example is palmitic acid. Next we have is stearic acid, that is C18H36 and O2. Okay, and now next we have is unsaturated fatty acids. Unsaturated fatty acids possess one or more double bond in their carbon chain. The general formula is CnH2n minus 2xO2. For example, oleic acid with one double bond monoene, that is C18H34O2. Linoleic acid with two double bond diene, okay, and C18 and H32O2, linolenic acid with three double bonds, okay, triene, and they have 18 carbon, 30 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Arachidonic acid with 4 double bonds and tetraene, they and have the C20H32 and O2, as you can see the structure, okay. Unsaturated fatty acids have low melting point than the saturated fatty acids. Most plant lipids have unsaturated fatty acids, while most animal lipids have saturated fatty acids. Aquatic animals of colder water, however, possess unsaturated fatty acid. Carboxylic group of fatty acid is hydrophilic, polar, or water soluble, while the rest of the hydrocarbon chain is non-polar, lipophilic, hydrophobic, or water insoluble. Polar and stick to the water so that fatty acid form monomolecular layer over it. The water soluble end of the fatty acid also reduce surface tension and increase the wetting or cleaning power of water. Soap action is actually the action of fatty acid contained in it. Now, next is the classification of the lipids. Lipids are distinguished into three types: simple, compound, and derived. Simple lipids are formed from the fatty acids and alcohol. They do not have any additional group: fat, suberin, cutin, wax. Compound or conjugated lipids possess additional group beside fatty acid and alcohol. For example, phospholipids, glycolipids, lipoproteins, lipids linked to the protein. Derived lipids are either lipids like chemicals, like for example sterols, or derivative of lipids. For example, there is terpenes or prostaglandins. Natural or true fats. They are triglycerides which are formed by esterification of three molecules of fatty acid with one molecule of trihydric alcohol, glycerol, that is glycerine, or trihydroxypropane. Three molecules of water are eliminated. The word triglyceride refers to the number of three molecules of fatty acid esterified to a molecule of glycerol. If the number of fatty acid attached to a glycerol happen to be 2, the ester is called diglyceride or monoglyceride if there is only one molecule of the fatty acid that is attached to the glycerol molecule. Now next is in fat, okay, three fatty acids are only rarely similar, okay, that is tripalmitine, tristerine, or triolein. They are called pure fats. Usually they are dissimilar, or two or three fatty acids are similar. They are known as mixed fats. For example, butter, fats, okay. So fat are named after the name of fatty acid, okay, that is palmito, okay, styrene, then palmito oleostyrene, then there is stereoleopalmitine. You can see the structure of glycerol, fatty acid, okay, and fat, okay, one molecule, okay, one molecule, then fatty acid three molecules, okay, and fat one molecule, okay. Now most neutral fats are mixture of different triglycerides. Some commercial use fats are differentiated into hard fats and oil. Oil are those fats which are liquid at room temperature, okay, of 20 degrees Celsius. This is because they have low melting point. For example, groundnut, peanut oil, okay, then cotton oil seed, rapeseed oil, mustard oil, sesame oil, sunflower oil, then safflower oil, okay. The low melting property is actually the property of fatty acid. Oils are richer in either unsaturated fatty acid or fatty acids having small carbon chain. Unsaturated fatty acid can combine with oxygen and other chemicals. They therefore exposed oils have a tendency to solidify, hence they are called drying oils. Edible oils can be converted into hard fats through the process of hydrogenation. In hydrogenation, unsaturated fatty acids are changed to the saturated fatty acids, okay, or saturated state. Banaspati or vegetable ghee and margarine, emulsified animal or plant fat, are obtained from the oil through the hydrogenation. Oil with the unsaturated fatty acid, that is fatty acid with more than one double bond, are called polyunsaturated PUFA, okay, polyunsaturated fatty acid. They are recommended by physician to person having hypertension, high blood cholesterol and other cardiovascular diseases. It is because polyunsaturated fatty acids lower blood cholesterol, okay. Edible oils having polyunsaturated fatty acids are safflower and sunflower oils. Hard fats are solid at room temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. They contain long chain unsaturated fatty acids, for example, animal fats. Butter is soft because it contains good quantity of short chain fatty acids. Now next we have the waxes. They are fatty acid ester of long chain monohydric alcohol like the cytyl, okay, or caryl or marycyl. Other fat like substances also occur in the waxes. Plant waxes occur in the cuticle along with the cutin and as grayish waxy coating or the bloom around the plant organ. Wax found on the upper surface of floating leaves prevent wetting and submergence. Wax found on the surface of land plant is useful in reducing the transpiration. In animal, cutaneous gland are known to secrete wax, that is lanolin, for forming a protective water insoluble coating on the animal fur. Next we have is the cerumen or earwax, okay. It is secreted by cutaneous gland for lubricating eardrum. Bee build their hives from the wax secreted by their abdominal glands. Bee wax is a complex of several waxes. The major component in the ester of palmitic acid, that is C16H32 O2 and marycyl alcohol, that is triacanthanol, then C30H61OH. Second major component is ester of palmitic acid with the hexacosanol, that is C26H53OH. You can see the structure. Tuberculosis and leprosy bacteria produce a wax called the VAX-D, which is a major factor in their phagopathogenicy. Okay, paraffin wax is obtained from petroleum. Candles are made of paraffin wax and stearic acid. Waxes are used in cosmetics and polishes. Waxed paper is used for wrapping. Now, next we have is the cutin. Cutin, it is a complex lipid produced by cross esterification and polymerization of hydroxy fatty acid as well as other fatty acid with or without esterification by alcohol other than glycerol. Okay. Cutin occur in the aerial epidermal cell walls as well as the separate layer of cuticle on outside of these epidermal cells. Cuticle have 50 to 90% cutin. Cutin reduces the rate of transpiration. It also binds the epidermal cell. Next we have is the suberin. Now suberin is a mixture of fatty material having condensation products of glycerol and phenolic acid or its derivatives. Suberin makes the cell wall strong and impermeable. It occurs in the wall of cork cells and endodermal cells. Phospholipids, okay, or these are also called the common membrane lipids. They are triglycerides lipids where one fatty acid is replaced by the phosphoric acid, which is often linked to additional nitrogenous group like choline, that is in lecithin. Next is ethanolamine, okay, that is in is often linked to the additional nitrogenous group like choline, okay, in lecithin, ethanol amine, that is in cephalene, okay, serine or inositol, okay. Phospholipids are amphipathic, carrying both hydrophilic polar and hydrophobic nonpolar groups. The hydrocarbon chain of the two fatty acids function as hydrophobic nonpolar tails of the phospholipid molecules. The phosphate and additional group, that is nitrogenous or non nitrogenous, behave as hydrophilic polar head group of the molecule. In adequate uh, adequate, okay, medium, the phospholipid molecule arrange themselves to form a double layer of or bilayer, okay, double layer or bilayer. The polar or hydrophilic head of the molecule form two surfaces which are in contact with the water. The polar or hydrophilic head of molecule form two surfaces which are in contact with water. The hydrophobic or non-polar tail of the phospholipid molecules are towards the center of the bilayer. Lipid bilayer is the basic component of all the cell membrane. Next we have is sphingolipids. They are lipids having amino alcohol sphingosine. Sphingomyelins contain an additional phosphate attached to the choline like phospholipids. They occur in myelin sheath of nerves. Cerebrocytes possess sugar residue galactose. They occur in nerve membrane. Gangliosides possess sugar residues, glucose, galactose, sialic acid, and acetyl glucosamine. They influence ion transport through the membrane as well as function as receptor of viral particles. Gangliosides occur in gray matter. Excessive accumulation of ganglioside produce disorder like Tay-Sachs disease. Since cerebrocytes and gangliosides contain sugar residue, they are also called the glycolipids. Now next we have is the lipoprotein. Lipoproteins are composed of lipids and proteins. They are present in blood, milk and egg yolk. Terpenes. They are lipid-like hydrocarbons formed of the isoprene, that is C5H8 units. The steroid-like cholesterol are also derived, okay, from the terpenes having 6 isoprene units. Essential oil of the plant origin are terpenes with 2 or 4 isoprene units. The camphor, menthol, okay, giberellin are a group of plant growth hormone with 4 isoprene units. An equal number of isoprene units occur in the vitamin A, E and K. Phytol or tail of the chlorophyll A molecule is a terpene with 4 isoprene units. Carotenoids or carotenes and xanthophylls have 8 isoprene units. Natural and synthetic rubber are terpenes with thousands of isoprene units arranged in the linear fashion. Next we have is the prostaglandins. They are derived of the derivatives of the arachidonic acid and other 20 carbon fatty acids, which have several functions like vasodilation, vasoconstriction, bronchoconstriction, acid production in the stomach, cell communication, and hormone modulation. Steroids. Next we have steroids. They are a group of complex lipids that possess a that possess a hydrogenated cyclopentano per hydrophenanthrene ring, okay, system. The position of carbon atom are numbered. Attached to a carbon atom, 10 to 13 are present. Methyl group, okay, having carbon atom 19 and 18 respectively. In cholesterol, a side chain is attached to the carbon 17. Okay, sterols have one or more hydroxyl group. Next we have the carbonyl or carboxy group. Major group of steroids are sterols, okay, steroids with 8 to 10 carbon long aliphatic side chain at carbon 17 and at least one alcoholic hydroxyl, that is at position 3. Cholesterol, then ergasterol, then coprosterol, then stigmasterol, then cetosterol, and the campesterol. Okay, next is the bile acids. Okay, they are steroid carboxylic acid derived from the cholesterol. For example, the glycocholic acid, then taurocholic acid. Then next is the gonadal or the sex hormones, estradiol or estrogen, testosterone, progesterone. Okay, these are the gonadal hormones. Next we have is adrenocorticotropic hormone. For example, corticosterone. Next is the cardiac glycosides. They contain carbohydrates, steroid complex with the steroid nucleus having unsaturated, that is lactone ring attached to the carbon 17. For example, digitoxin from the digitalis. Then next is strophanthin, okay, from the strophanthus. Next type of sterol is saponin. Okay, they are glycosides having steroid. Then example is sapogenin, which form foam when their watery solution is shaken. Then saponins are widely distributed in the plants. For example, saponaria. Okay, then quileza. They can dissolve RBC even in high dilution. Next is last one is anabolic steroid. They are the synthetic derivative of testosterone, which are used clinically in promoting growth and repair of the body tissue in the senile and deliberating illness. Toad poison and some carcinogenic hydrocarbons are also steroid in nature. Now, next we will discuss about the cholesterol in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.